Preston, what are you doing with your police car? What does a police car sound like? Who rides in the police car? A police officer? Where's your police officer? Is he right there? Next to your box? Right there, honey. Next to the toolbox. I know it's yours. Can you say thank you? I really like it. Yeah. Yeah, he is, isn't he? What does a police officer do, honey? Whee!
Car.
Police car? What is this?
That
looks like a yield sign.
Huh?
A yield sign.
Huh?
Yeah. So you know what to do when you're driving. Can you drive this way?
Yeah.
Drive towards Mama. What does a police car sound like?
I drive, Mama.
Yeah.
Now you ready?
Uh-huh. Where are you going? Oh, you're driving on Mommy?